here with the fantastic Massimo.
Hi everybody, so my name is Massimo Morello. I'm an Italian-born hairdresser. Actually, all my family does hairdressing. We've been doing that for 3 generations now. And yeah, believe it or not, we're all bald. That's why I love Showpony so much, because it's my broken dream to have hair. That's me. I've been in the industry for 30 years. I started here in Italy actually, and I used to have 2 salons. Then at some point of my career, I said, you know what, there is this country far, far away called Australia. I might go and pay a visit. And I actually ended up living there for 8 years. And that's where I met Kevin Murphy, the brand. And that's where, I basically started to work with them. And yeah, here we are now again.
Let's talk about the event here today. What are we doing here today?
We are making history basically, because this is the first event since 2019. So we're pretty excited, all of us, to finally go back to normal, if we can call it normal. But we're going to do some hands-on, live on stage. It's going to be music. It's going to be 170 people. Yes, we are so excited about that.
Let's talk about what you're doing here. I mean, this is some beautiful, incredible, intricate work that you're preparing here. Let's talk about this.
Basically, it's a braid. I wanted to have like some editorial braid. Basically, I just did 2 braids in the front. Then on the stage, I'm gonna stitch both the side. I'm gonna lift this braid up, so it's gonna be nice and high up, like a Frida Kahlo kind of vibe. Of course, we add them here, the chestnut one and the pink one, as you can see, just to add the color in the braid, just to create these loops. Then I'm gonna cut on stage, so it's gonna be like blunt cut and almost like a comb. I don't know. Yeah. So it's kind of editorial or edgy kind of braid.
I'm really excited for the show. It's going to be an incredible day, and I think it's great to make history.
Happy to see you. Happy to see you all. Ciao.
Thank you. Bye.